OPPO is officially unveiling the Find X9 Ultra on April 21st, and ahead of that we've seen it in some hands-on images. Today a quick hands-on video has surfaced showing the device in all its glory. It looks like what we've seen in the pictures, the camera island size, wanting to send the message that this is the ultimate camera-centric phone. The OPPO Find X9 Ultra will have a built-in 10x telephoto camera. The Find X9 Ultra has the world's first 50MP periscope telephoto with 10x optical zoom, with a 230mm equivalent focal length. The camera will be able to shoot 460mm 20x pictures at optical quality zoom. The OPPO Find X9 Ultra feature a 200MP Sony LYTIA901 primary sensor, a 50MP Samsung JN5 ultra-wide shooter, a 200MP OmniVision OV52A lens with 3x optical zoom, include a 3.2MP Donshot color restoration sensor for better color capture, a 50MP autofocus selfie camera at the front. The Ultra model will sport a flat 6.82-inch BOE LTPO display with a 2K plus resolution and a 144Hz refresh rate, powered by a powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 and 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM, running ColorOS 16 based on Android 16. The device is also confirmed to pack a 7050 mAh battery. It will support 100W wired and 50W wireless charging. OPPO is moving towards releasing the Find X9 Ultra both in China and globally. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.